Hi, good morning everyone. Yeah, so I just came back from 3rd and 4th March SBR Trackday, and I was reviewing some of my videos. Thought I wanted to share some of these funny or interesting footages that you might be interested in. Right, so in this short footage, I was trying to overtake GO, and after that I realized that my camera is totally out of place because I had a misshift in the earlier lap, and my helmet actually hit on the camera and I didn't realize. Yeah, so let's see what happens when what I did after that. Yep, so after I safely passed Wayne, I realized my camera is off angle, I think because of the previous lap. And I decided to adjust it in the middle of back straight while going at 260 plus an hour. I don't know what I was doing, but I did it anyway. Somehow I made it before the turn 15, and I safely negotiated turn 15. And I exited turn 15 and realized it was also raining, and I actually did a decent lap of 218s, 219s, but I don't think I had a recording because the camera is off angle. Well, something very dangerous. Let's not do this. Let's not try this at track, please. just for sharing.